Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell ebook on Gumroad. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to create your own Canva account and also Gumroad account. To do that, you can open any web browser and then search for Canva. In order for you to create an account, you need an email address, you need a Google account. You can also create an account on Canva using your Facebook, or there are also other ways right here. But for me, the easiest way is to create using your Google account. So this is what it looks like. This is the basic version. So I strongly suggest to upgrade your Canva into Pro version. Also, in order to create Gumroad account, you need to have your Google account, your email address. You can also create an account using your Facebook, Twitter, and so on. So once you have your Canva and Gumroad account, and then you can now start creating and selling your ebook to your Gumroad. To do that, go to Canva, tap on create a design, and then search for ebook. You can go to the search icon and then type ebook right here. So once you type ebook right here, you will see ebook cover. Then it's okay. You can select that one and then use the same dimension or same size for you to create your ebook. So let's just say we will be selling ebook about meal or healthy meals. So if you tap on that, you will see different templates, and all you have to do is to select that. However, if you can't find it right here, you can go to the search box and then search for, let's just say, healthy foods or a meal. Then Canva will show you samples of templates that you can use for your ebook. Okay, so all you have to do is to select that. One thing, you need to upgrade your Canva into Pro for you to unlock more templates. You can create ebook using the basic version, but the features are limited. So I strongly suggest to upgrade your Canva into Pro. So as you can see, this is the template. And what we're going to do here is we're going to change the title. So you can create your own meal or your own ebook with your own thoughts, or you can also ask ChatGPT for a help. Now, if you want to look for other elements or pictures, let's just say you don't have your own image, you can go to elements and then search for a specific picture. So let's just say you want to look for healthy foods. You just have to click that specific picture and then drag it to the template or to the blank page. This is what it looks like. Now you can resize and change the size or dimension. You can change the color. You can change the font style, you can change the font size, you can change the sizes of the pictures and photos. Everything is up to you. Now, if you have your own images, you just have to click upload and then upload pictures and photos from your device. So this is what it looks like. Okay, you can add more elements if you want, but that is optional. Now, in order for you to add page, just tap on add page and start typing here. So you can tap on add page. Now, in order for you to add or be creative, you can go back to template and then search for anything here. So for example, we will get a background from any of this template right here. You can just basically delete whatever element that you don't want to include. For example, this one, I can decrease the size of the picture and then change the picture by going to element and then drag that picture that I want to include here. You can also delete this text right here and then change the background color. Let's just say I want to change it same with the first page. So all you have to do is to click that one and then change the color. Okay, so for example, gray or let's just say black, everything is up to you. So once you have changed the background color, you can also change the font color. So for example, if you want to change it to black, just tap on the color right here. And here you can now start typing or adding. So this is what it looks like. To add again, just click add page and then add pictures, elements, add text box. If you want to decrease transparency, just go to transparency. Now you can add boxes right here and then text box and add again whatever you want to add here. So this is how easy it is to create ebook using Canva. And again, I strongly suggest for you to upgrade your Canva into Pro so that you can unlock more features. Once done, you can download this as PDF and then go to your Gumroad account. Let's just say we're finished, but I know that you can do better than this. Go to your Gumroad, tap on products, click new product, and then add the title of your product right here. Now click ebook, scroll down, tap on or add the price right here, go back, click next customize. Here you can add more details to your products. You can even add thumbnails. And to create thumbnail, again, you can go to Canva and then create your thumbnail. Okay, you can add pictures and photos, everything is up to you. And then add more details to your product. So you can add it right here. Okay, so basically that's how easy it is to create thumbnail. Okay, just go to Canva and then look for thumbnail and then create one. You can add product info. Scroll down here to add more info about your ebook. You can also toggle on if you have your Discord community, you can add your Discord right here and invite them. Now after that, click content and then upload your PDF file. Once you're done with everything here, what you're going to do is publish and continue. However, I cannot do that because I don't have my payment method yet. Once you have added your payment method, just tap on publish and continue. And then once you go back to your Gumroad account, your product is visible to your buyers, your customers. If they click that one, then what you're going to do next is you have to basically give them or share to them the link of your template. Let's just say if they click this one right here, what you're going to do is, once you have uploaded the template access file, create a simple PDF, or this one is optional. Download your template here, click the link below to access. They will click that one and then they will proceed to your template, as easy as that. So all you have to do is to negotiate it with your buyer. Once they have the link, then they can pay you. And that's how easy it is to sell ebook on Gumroad. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.